Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with properly fermented batter and a hot stainless steel tawa. Measure batter to a pourable, slightly thick consistency. This gives crisp edges without tearing. Preheat the tawa on medium for about 3-4 minutes so it's evenly warm. A cold pan causes sticking. Once heated, smear a few drops of oil and wipe with a folded paper or cloth to create a thin lubricant layer. This encourages even spreading and prevents big bubbles as you pour. Pour 1 ladleful of batter in the center, and, using the back of the ladle, spread outward in a quick circular motion to form a thin disc. This motion minimizes tearing on stainless steel. Drizzle about 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee around the circumference and a few drops on top to help browning and crisping. Once done, lower the flame to medium-low so the center cooks without burning the underside, and watch for the edges to lift and the surface to set. When the bottom is golden brown and the edges lift, decide whether to flip. Flip quickly for both sides crisp, or fold and remove for a single-sided dosa. Serve immediately on a warm plate so it stays crisp. Between dosas, wipe the tawa with a lightly oiled cloth to maintain the nonstick layer. If you encounter sticking, make sure the tawa is hotter, add a bit more oil, or test batter thickness. 2 thick batter sticks, so thin slightly with water and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.